Good morning traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Tuesday the 23rd of January. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, there was no major news releases yesterday, but just a quick market overview and the major things that occurred overnight from the US. The Senate has failed to come to a deal on the budget resolution, and the US government remains shut for a second day in a row. It has affected the US dollar, and the appetite for US dollar is not as high as what would normally be. From the UK, we had basically the GBP continued its surge, and perhaps it was from comments from Francois Macron, who suggested that there might be some sort of bespoke deal available for the UK, and that's regarding the Brexit negotiations. So GBP continued to surge, and that was pretty much the major events of overnight session. Okay, let's have a look at our chart of the day, and today I'm continuing with yesterday's chart of the day, and something a little bit strange happened to me, so perhaps some of you may have been stopped out, may not have been stopped out at the time that I placed my trade yesterday. Let me show you today's chart of the day. First of all, it's the GBPCAD on a daily timescale, and today we now have 11 consecutive days in one direction. Now remember, this is just purely a statistical type trade. Yesterday we had 10 consecutive days, so I took the trade at the open and I placed a small stop and target, because the idea is I'm not really thinking that it's going to pull back so much. I'm just looking for a short reversal, a color change in essence, and my trade, I believe I had it set to 30 and 30 pips, but due to the spread, my target side became a little bit lower and I actually got triggered. So I was fortunate, I hit my target, and then it basically went up the other direction. So today, again, I'm going again. 11 consecutive days for me is statistically much stronger. I am also coming into this head space here where there could be some natural resistance there, and just for the record today, I'm just going to go 30 and 30. Okay, so that's what I'm aiming at. I'm not being stubborn about this. I'm not looking for a major reversal. It's all I'm looking for is a color change in the candle. Sometimes you don't even get the color change, but it drops down enough, you hit your target, such as happened yesterday. So there you have it. That's our chart of the day. That's my explanation. GBP CAD on a daily time frame, 11 consecutive days in one direction. It's a statistical trade. Okay, let's have a look at what's happening in the session which is about to unfold. And the first thing is today, big one is from Japan, announcing their monetary policy statements, interest rate decisions and so forth. Now, they don't schedule a time, it is tentative, so just look out. If we all of a sudden see the Japanese yen moving, we know what's happened. They have released the news, so we don't know, but usually around about 1 p.m. is being when it usually happens, but they don't tell you exactly. And at 5:30 this evening there will be the conference to explain what's happened and any answer question sessions. So there you have it. Japanese yen is the big one today. Keep an eye out on that. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.